Just did a 15.2 mile run. This GPS unit, mixed speeds, mostly going down back roads. Super fun. I only have 26% left on this camera, so really quick. Topped off at 43.4 miles per hour top speed. You can see it's breezing out. So this bike, one of the downsides is breeze affects your, for sure, your battery level, your power drainage, as well as top speed. So no winds or light winds, you can get at least 45, 44, 45. If you really have a good day, 46 miles per hour. Talked to Bryson on email. He said he is going to post soon on their site the new controller as well as blinkers for this bike and other, I guess, models that came out in December, January. So that'll be $100 plus tax is what he's saying. So Florida, 6.5%, $106.50. Check my tire pressure before I rode, so I'm back up to 25 front tire and keeping it at 28 rear tire. Pretty smooth. I mean, optimal speeds for sure. Wondering if that new controller will actually help. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Probably order it soon. I do like the idea of having a rear blinker though, because these don't blink.